Thank you for joining us today. My name is Simon Goldenberg, and joining me today for this presentation is attorney Stephen Basedow, as well as attorney Jared Louzon. Today we'll be presenting resolving defaulted federal student loans, and we are the attorneys that comprise of the law office of Simon Goldenberg. A little bit about ourselves: we practice law in New York and New Jersey. We do provide non-legal services in other states where appropriate. And as far as what our practice does, we're primarily a debt relief law firm. We handle bankruptcy, debt restructuring, resolving civil judgments, pursuing illegal debt collection practices, defense from collection lawsuits, and last but not least, we help people get out of defaulted student loan debt. We have a great reputation, 10 rating with AVO, A+ rating with BBB, Martindale Hubble, and whatnot.
So my name is Jared Louzon. I'm a third-year associate here at the firm, and I handle a lot of these student loan issues along with enforcing consumers' rights under both federal and state consumer protection laws. So we're going to talk about debt forgiveness and change gears a bit. There's a few options, and like we said, bankruptcy, getting a student loan discharged via bankruptcy is somewhat that's extremely rare, at least in New York. And so these are some other options that clients sometimes follow for. So the first one is total and permanent disability. We'll get into the details, but essentially, if someone is considered to be totally and permanently disabled, they can potentially have their federal student loans discharged. The second is public service loan forgiveness. Some of you may be familiar with this if you're working in public service, and so there are some details that we have to go through. And then others, teacher forgiveness and school closing prior to graduation. We'll get to that as well.
My name's Stephen Basedow. I've been with the firm about 5 years now. I handle all of the bankruptcies, a majority of the litigation, and of course, student loans. And I think consolidation's a good place to start here, because a lot of times a potential client will contact our office and they'll say, well, my loans are in default. Can you help me? And the answer is typically probably, but let's get a little bit more of information first. Who are they with? When was the date of last payment? I don't know. And that happens a lot, and it's understandable, because a lot of these loans were taken out at different times, perhaps different borrowers or entities, and it's a tad bit confusing. And so we'll do some of the legwork to find out where the loans are, when they were taken out, who they're with, who the servicers are, and the status.
Whether it's consolidation or rehab or settlement or whatever it might be that we got this client into, until that client's loan is either paid off or in good status and on a payment plan, we're going to hold their hand through it. We invite you to visit our website at www.goldenbergfirm.com to read our insightful blogs and pages that are dedicated to debt relief and student loan resolution. You can email us questions as well. To the best of our abilities, we'll try to guide you towards success, or even give us a call if you'd like to say hi. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.